Hi, this is Corey Buldroff, the real estate guy with Garvin & Associates, a complete real estate group. Wanted to invite you to our open house this Sunday from 12 to 6 at 2082 Elizondo Avenue. This house is not yet on the market and it's been totally remodeled. From kitchen, new bathrooms, flooring, paint, you name it, it's been done. It's 1,590 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, with a bedroom bathroom downstairs, making it perfect for large families, maybe an in-law or an older sibling. Top that off with a big backyard that's ready for your creativity, and this house is a true gem. Come on in, let's check it out. So if you or someone you know is looking to move into this wonderful neighborhood, please stop on by. If you do decide to purchase the home, mention this video and we'll give you a free home warranty. And even if you're not looking to buy a home, please come on, stop on by for some homemade brownies and come look at what we've done with the place. Again, this is Corey Buldroff, the real estate guy with Garvin & Associates, the complete real estate group that helps buyers find their dream homes, sellers get the highest price in the quickest, most convenient timeline, and a division that focuses and specializes in fix and flips, investment properties, and build outs. Looking forward to seeing you Sunday.